Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium coverage foundation full coverage. Achieving a flawless, full coverage look from a medium foundation is all about technique and patience. We will explore how to transform your everyday base into a high-impact finish. The key is to build coverage strategically, ensuring a smooth and natural appearance without feeling heavy. Let's dive into the steps to master this transformation. The secret to building coverage is thoughtful layering. Begin by applying a very thin layer across your entire face. Then, identify specific areas that need more attention, such as blemishes or redness. Instead of adding a thick layer all at once, apply small, additional amounts, gently pressing the product into the skin. This method ensures an even distribution and prevents a cakey texture, giving you control over the intensity. Choosing the right tools significantly impacts your final look. A dense, flat-top kabuki brush is fantastic for buffing foundation into the skin, offering maximum coverage. Alternatively, a damp beauty sponge can press the product in, creating a smooth, airbrushed finish. For any stubborn spots or dark circles, a small amount of full coverage concealer applied before or after your foundation can provide that extra boost, ensuring a truly flawless complexion. Once you have achieved your desired coverage, setting your foundation is crucial for longevity. Lightly dust a translucent setting powder over your face, focusing on areas prone to shine. This step locks everything in place and minimizes transfer. Finish with a hydrating setting spray. It helps to melt all the layers together, creating a more skin-like appearance and ensuring your full coverage look lasts for many hours without creasing or fading. You'll look polished all day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.